Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate landing page branding in Webflow, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Webflow dashboard and navigate to the project you want to work on. In the left sidebar, click on the pages icon to view all your site's pages. Select the landing page where you want to activate branding. In the settings panel on the right, scroll down to the branding section. Toggle the Enable Branding option to activate landing page branding. Next, you will see options for adding your brand logo. Click on the Choose Image button to upload your logo from your computer. Once uploaded, adjust the logo size to fit your design needs. You can also customize the logo position by selecting the appropriate alignment options. Now, move to the Brand Colors section to choose colors that match your branding. Click on the color boxes to set your primary and secondary brand colors. Make sure to save any changes you make by clicking the Save button at the top. Preview your landing page to see the branding in action. If adjustments are needed, return to the settings for fine-tuning. Once satisfied, publish your site to make the branding live. Check your landing page in a browser to ensure everything looks as intended. Congratulations, you have successfully activated landing page branding in Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.